Today I am talking about something different. These stocks are traded in $130 and these stocks give 1.82% return in today. In the last 5 days these stocks make approx 1.676%. In the last 1 month these stocks gain approx 5% market value, and these stocks gain in the last 6 months 9% market value, and year to date these stocks gain approx 23% market value, and these stocks gain in the year to date 63% market value. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks, I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks gain approximately 70% return, and whole return if you see 2100%. That means these stocks gain approximately 21x market return. So if you invest only $1000 on the stocks from starting, your money will become at this moment $21,000. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.